Hi, I'm Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. Today I'm going to be crafting a leather tote bag. If you're new to this channel, the word legacy for me has grown to mean to pass the torch. My interpretation of this newly adopted motto is to share a skill, passion, craft, or heirloom with the next generation. I want you to try something new, something you're afraid of trying, something you haven't done before. And that means messing up, failing, trying again, or making it work. The point is we push ourselves towards overcoming those excuses that we give ourselves. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get to it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and pass the torch. See you guys next week.